to Sai Hira Decor friends. Today we will make simple sweet centerpiece floral arrangement. It is very easy to make. To make this we need wooden sticks, oasis floral foam, yellow marigold flowers, orange marigold flowers, gypsophila flowers, carmine leaves, tuberose flowers, cutter. Step 1. Take oasis foam, soak it in water, cut it into 2 pieces. Step 2. Place carmine leaves in foam, cover all sides and top. Step 3. Insert yellow marigold flower in wooden sticks. Cut the extra part of marigold flower with cutter. Its length will be small. Now put orange and yellow flower in sticks and then take tuberose flower in it. The length of these sticks will be longer. We do not have to cut it. You can see we have to make many such sticks. Now it comes to placing flowers in foam. First we have to insert 3 large sticks of marigold and tuberose flowers in the center of the foam. Insert a flower. We will place it in the center of the table after it is ready. Your simple sweet centerpiece floral arrangement is ready. Stay tuned for more such decoration videos. Like, share and subscribe to Sai Hira Decor. Sai Hira Ram.